Okay, students, this is the fourth question. We are expected to integrate integral dx over x positive x times log x. Now this question was asked in MP PET 1993 and Roorkee 1977. So foremost, what I wish to do, I would like to rewrite this as integral dx over x of 1 positive log x. Then I will let log x positive 1 be equal to some t. I differentiate this, I get 1 over x times dx. I differentiate right side, I get dt. So in place of dx over x, I can substitute dt. So there's going to be dt there. In place of 1 positive log x, you can substitute t. You integrate this, you will get log. Now usually whenever you integrate, it's better to use ln. In fact, they have given it as log, but just for sake of being safe, I'm using ln. This is going to be ln of t. Now this is nothing but ln of t is nothing but 1 positive log x. So this is what you're getting. Now it's okay to write log of 1 positive log x. So of course you need to place the arbitrary constancy. So either you can write it like this or you write it like this. I would prefer writing it in this fashion with the natural logarithm. So that will be the end of this question. We'll move on to the next one.